Hi, kindergarten math students. Wow, we have a lot of materials for this lesson. We have a number line, 10 frame, some treats. I have Smarties. You can use nuts, Cheerios, grapes, marshmallows, whatever you would like. You need a whiteboard marker. You need a cup is great, but a plate or bowl would work too. And you need your blocks. Take those blocks apart, ready for this game. So the math learning that you are really working on for this little lesson and you're getting better at is to count one thing at a time, one block at a time. So player number 1 picks a number on the number frame, circles it. That same player is going to count the number 4, if that's what you circle, 4 blocks into the cup. Okay? So make sure you count the block. Don't just count 1, 2, 3, 4, but count the blocks. So you end up with 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just counted each block. Player number 2, now you have a job. Move the extra blocks away. Nicely roll out just the blocks that were in the cup. And you are going to check to see if your partner did indeed put the same number of blocks in the cup that your partner circled. The way you do that is you put them in the 10 frame. Start on the left and at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you're counting the blocks, not just counting in the air. Okay, so you both 4. You got it right. So player number 1 gets a treat and player number 2 gets a treat. Then you erase and you take these blocks off. And then player number 2 gets to start and pick a different number. We're trying to learn all of these numbers. I'm going to pick 7. I circled, so I count the blocks into the cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know you probably heard the clunk before you saw it. That's part of this camera issue, but I just counted it when I saw that it was in the cup. Okay, now your partner, which is player number 1, push the extra blocks away so we don't get mixed up, and just roll out the blocks that were in the cup and check with your partner to see if they have that number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, you go down and over and start some more on left to right, always. 5, 6, 7. Woo! We both counted 7, so we get a treat again. 1 for me and 1 for my invisible partner. Get it? And then you just keep going back and forth, taking turns. It's a fun game. It would be really fun if you did all the numbers. So remember what numbers you're doing. Try to do every single number. Video yourself playing this game. You do not have to video the whole game. Just video yourself taking a few turns so I can see if you understood it or not. Great. I think it's a fun game and it really helps us learn how to count blocks. So stretch it out. Stand up. and do your math game. Bye now.